Today we're going to add some unique custom lighting to the front of this 2012 Mustang GT. This halo fog light kit from Oracle is going to fit the factory fog lights in your 2010 through 2014 Mustang. Unlike a lot of the LED ring options, these do not require you to take the fog lights apart. Instead, they actually stick on the outside of the fog light and will wire up to your marker lights or switch for a much easier installation. For our installation, we're going to wire our halos to our parking lights. The first thing we're going to do, pop off the radiator support so we can mount the halos and then fish the wires in and then tap into the headlight harness. We're going to use some alcohol. We'll thoroughly clean the surface so the adhesive can stick. This usually will have like bug guts and stuff on it, so make sure it is thoroughly clean. Do the same with the other light. Alright, so grab your halo. There's a thin protective plastic on it. Make sure you remove this first. Separate the wiring harness. Just kind of fish the harness up out of the way and get an idea of where you're going to put them. They are flexible, so figure out the best fitment before we remove the tape. We're going to remove the double stick tape. Okay, then again, fish the wiring back through. Get the lights where we want and push on the adhesive. So now we're going to turn the marker lights on. We grab our test light and see which one's going to be hot to power our halos. Okay, so purple with a white stripe. It's going to be our power wire for our halos. Right, we're going to go through the wire tap here. You can solder it, cut it, whatever you want to do. We're going to use a wire tap. Now we'll connect the power wire from our halo. All right, so we connected to the parking light power and we use the factory ground. Now we're going to plug the battery back in and see if it works. Turn off our parking lights, it should go off. All right, once you verify it works, you want to clean up all your wiring, repeat the process on the other side, and your installation's finished. These Oracle LED halo fog light rings really add a custom touch to the front of this 2012 GT. The installation is very, very simple as well. All you'll need is some basic wiring tools and something to remove the clips. Figure about an hour or so, and you'll be back on the road in no time.